Your stomach is tougher than you think. Every 3 to 4 days, it completely replaces its lining. That's because the acid inside your stomach is so powerful, it could actually dissolve metal. If your stomach didn't constantly renew itself, that same acid would burn right through and digest the stomach from the inside. Instead, your body quietly rebuilds this protective layer again and again, working on a cycle you never even notice. It's one of the many hidden survival tricks your body performs every day, without you realizing it.